Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own proxy. That's right, how to make your own proxy. So, remember to give this video a like, subscribe, and a comment, please. So, first what you want to do is go on glitch.com, search up alloy proxy. These are the fastest proxies. Go on any one of these. Personally, I like to go on this guy's, and then you wanna remix your own, right? And this is really easy, like it's so easy. And this is unblocked. And then what you wanna do is click preview in the new window, and then yeah, that's, you made your proxy. Congrats. And then go back to glitch.com. Okay, so and then go to glitch.com, and then shoot, I didn't sign up. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Oh wait, never mind. So yeah, that's how you do it. Just because I didn't sign up, I don't get to see it, but if you did sign up, then you'll get to see it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if it worked for you, and or if you have any questions. Bye.